Hi all. Today we take a look at the Quaker Parrot, also known as the monk parakeet. Originally found in South America, the story goes they arrived in New York in the 1960s when a crate broke open at JFK Airport and a bunch of the parrots escaped into the wild. Over the last 50 years, they have greatly expanded the territory in which they live. They're very affectionate and very inquisitive. Note the harmony in this pair's body movements. Quaker parrots live in colonies and build enormous-sized nests. They live long lives and can grow to be between 11 and 12 inches in length. At this point, we'll view the behavior of these two Quaker parrots over the course of an afternoon. First up, preening. This is how the parrots clean their feathers to make sure that they're in tip-top condition. Next up, mating. The Quaker parrot mates via the cloaca. It's located in the parrot's posterior underneath the tail. It's a multi-purpose vent, which is utilized for multiple bodily functions. Mating occurs when the cloacae are rubbed together. This is called the cloacal kiss. Moving on, they head back over and start to work on the nest. In closing, another outstanding feature is their voice. Here in the wild, they can be very noisy and very loud. I believe he's saying, thank you for viewing.